What's up, guys? This is the Transformer Gundam, and as you can see by the title, I have a Lego haul. So, me and my girlfriend recently celebrated our 1.5 year anniversary, and to celebrate, we decided to go to the Lego store and pick out some Lego sets. Now, we were going to build them together, but unfortunately, she had to leave yesterday, and we never had time to actually build the sets that we picked up. But I figured I might as well make a video and just show off the sets that we went with. Now, I am on a bit of a budget, so, I didn't get anything super crazy, but I figured I might as well make a video and just show off what we got. So, here is the bag, just I don't know, typical yellow Lego bag. And I do have 2 sets in here, one that my girlfriend picked out and one that I picked out. So, we'll start off first with the one that my girlfriend wanted to get, and it is this set. This is the Lego Creator set number 31145 Red Dragon. And yeah, it's a pretty cute looking little Lego set here. And it's a 3-in-1 set, which is pretty cool. So not only can you build a dragon, you can also build a fish or a parrot. So that's really cool. I'll give you some options with that. So there you go. The other side gives you a little bit closer look on the 3 different sets you can build. The dragon being the main one, the fish, and the parrot. And this set has, let's see, got 149 pieces for that, ages 6+. So there you go. That's the first set. And then the set that I decided to go with is one that's a little different. It is, bam, let me zoom out just a little bit here. The Lego Creator high-speed train sets. Now, for those that don't know, I've always been a huge train fan. Well, both me and my girlfriend, we both really like trains. I saw this set, I thought it looked really cool. Especially for the price, it was only 20 bucks. And this set was 10 bucks. So $30 total, not a bad deal at all. So yeah, this is, again, high-speed train, set number 40518. This has 284 pieces. And yeah, I mean, as I said, it's just a really cool looking train set. So I decided to go with this one for myself here. And the cool thing is, if you get multiples of these sets, you can combine them to make one longer train set. So yeah, that's about it for this short little video. Not really a lot, just wanted to very quickly show off the 2 little Lego sets that we decided to get for our 1.5 year anniversary. Now, I'll most likely do a Let's Build for the train sets, but since this is my girlfriend's, I'm just gonna hold on to it for her. So for whenever she does come back, she'll have this waiting for her so she can build this. But as I said, I'll most likely do a Let's Build for this set, the high-speed train. Should be pretty fun. So anyways, again, short video, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you have built these sets, let me know what how they are, if they're fun sets, any feedback or anything like that. I got a feeling this one's gonna be pretty cool, so be interested to see if it comes with a little train track or not. I don't think it does, but yeah. But anyways, as I said, leave a comment. Always love reading them. And if you like Lego content like this, follow me for more. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and join the Discord. Put a link to that in the description below, and follow me on Twitch. With all that out of the way, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.